YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 4th of December 2020 and currently time is 10:06 AM. Now coming on to our today's trade, traders, we have taken a trade in Bajaj Finance by the breakout of triangle pattern, and the trade is now going on. Traders, here we are aiming for our risk reward of 5.61. Let's see if we gets it or not. So trade is going on, traders, and it is going very well according to us. So traders, when it will show some more momentum toward the target or our stop loss, I will update you. So now I am pausing the video. So traders, you can see our equity or stock Bajaj Finance is showing a good momentum towards our target. So our first job is to trail our stop loss to our cost price. So I am trailing my stop loss to my cost price and modifying it. Okay traders, so stop loss has been modified, and now let's place our target. So our target is 4963.80. so we have sent our target order also. It's been now placed. So let's see what happens next. Now we are risk free and nothing we have to worry about. So we will wait, and traders, when I will exit trade, if I have to exit at market price or our target, I will update you. So traders, here a build up is trying to form, which will give a big momentum, and it can be on either side, traders. Okay, so what I am thinking here is to, let me see, watch it in 30-minute chart. So I'm exiting now. What do? It is now creating confusion for me as well. Now what to do? So let's see what if we trails our stop loss to here, how much risk reward we are going to get. So if we are trailing till here, we will be getting 1.82. That's good. So okay traders, now I am trailing my stop loss till there, and I am modifying it. Okay traders, that we have trailed our more stop loss so that at least we can get a good risk reward. So traders, I have trailed my stop loss and now the trade is going on. So I will update you when I will trail some more or it hits our target. Okay traders, I am trailing my stop loss more to this swing low and modifying it, and done. So I will update you after some time. It was a quick update. So traders, you can see we are very near to our target. In just few minutes we have got a good risk reward ratio and a perfect trade. Now I am trailing some more till here. This is swing low, so modifying it, and then we are very near to our target and we are just about to hit. And today we are getting 5.62 reward with a risk of 1. Okay traders, so going on, I will update you when it will hit our target. So traders, we have exited our trade. We didn't get the 5.6 risk reward, but we have got a good risk reward ratio. You can see by here this arrow we exited our trade. So we exited our trade, traders, here at this swing low. Okay traders, so this was our trade. Now let me explain you the setup which we used. Let me open 15-minute time frame. Okay, 5 minutes. So yesterday on Instagram I have uploaded this analysis which was forming a triangle pattern in this Bajaj Finance stock. Okay traders, so now coming on to our today's trade. What happened in the morning that it gave a breakout of this triangle, then again it came back for our retracement, and at the retracement when we seen a big green candle here, you can see this is, so we entered into the trade and here was our target, so we kept trailing our stop loss and finally we got our risk reward of 3.8, which is also very good traders. And our stop loss was here, which was the swing low at that time. So simple traders, a simple strategy and simple trading with a huge profit. Okay traders, so this was our today's trade. Now let's calculate our today's profit. So our quantities were 6 and target points were 55.30. so today we have made a profit of 331 rupees. Okay traders, so hope you learned something from this video and enjoyed it. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.